What's up, Kings? It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a That Nap Life video coming at y'all with a wash day. And today's wash day is sponsored by 4C Only. Have you heard about them? If not, then girl, I am happy that I'm all up on your screen. I'm just saying. They are a new revolutionary company that has made a product line in which 4C hair is the focus. Hello. I mean, finally we're getting some attention. I'm just saying. So let's get into it, y'all. I'm going to use their entire line and give you my thoughts on it. Y'all ready? And before checking in, let go.
Today I was inspired by the book of Isaiah, chapter 43, verse 19. Behold, I will do a new thing. Now it shall spring forth. Shall ye not know it? I will even make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert.
Amen.
I mean, Team Kinks. I say Team Kinks. I don't know about y'all, but I'm pretty stoked about the fact that there's a product line that was actually made for us, 4C natural hair divas in mind. I'm just saying. It's not like it's, oh, okay, 4C can use it too. No. It was with us in mind, and other hair types can use it if they want to. 4C only. The revolution will be moisturized. I love it. So in this box, you get 4 different items for the price of $79.99. The 2 Easy collection consists of 2 clean shampoo, 2 thick deep conditioner, 2 soft leave-in conditioner, 2 slick styling cream. This company is the first ever revolutionary brand dedicated to 4C natural hair. That means us, y'all. Team Kinks, okay? The goal is to normalize the beauty, the amazement, the wonderfulness of our texture. Can we normalize that? Yes, we can. Okay, 2 Easy collection, you on deck. I'm going to go through the entire wash day using only their products. I'm not even going to pre-poo y'all. That's how much I want to see how easy this collection is. Let's start this off with my fresh start. All right, the 2 clean shampoo. The advice, the directions on here is for us to start off with soaking wet hair. I don't mind this step because I do it normally anyway. I love soaking my hair with water, and I notice that whenever it does that, especially being low porosity, I want my hair to take in whatever it is I'm giving it, okay? So yes, soak your hair with water very well, and then you can move on to the actual product, 2 clean shampoo. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is what? It's in a jar. Okay, like, I'm sorry, it is in a jar, and you basically going to apply it like it's a deep conditioner. This was a major, very hard adjustment for me, y'all. I even attempted to put it into an applicator bottle because I look for the applicator bottle type of, I guess, packaging. Okay, it's just, to me, it's a lot easier. But, you know, have it in a jar. Again, this is a revolutionary product line, so they are changing the way we do things, right? So I'm going to follow suit and get with it. A little goes a long way, y'all. This line is very concentrated, okay? So remember, a little goes a long way. As you can see, I barely applied any to contour, and it foamed the heck up very quickly. I'm going to show you again on the second side. I applied very little. Not too much, maybe a dime size amount or so. And as you can see, I just focused it on the outside of that section. And what you're going to notice is that it made its way into the middle and everywhere else on my hair, which lets me know that this has foaming agents in it for sure. Okay. The second ingredient in their in the list is a foaming agent. So it's the third one, but it also is moisturizing as well. So after my first rinse and my second rinse, I did notice that my kinks felt cleansed, but also felt moisturized. Or better yet, it did not feel like the natural oils of my hair and my scalp was stripped away. It didn't feel like that at all. In fact, I kind of felt like I could detangle my hair right now if I was about that life, but I'm not about that life. I'm deep conditioner. That's what that step is for, okay? But I did feel like I could. All right, it's time for my thirst. Deep conditioning. 2 thick deep conditioner. Y'all, this name is not lying to you. You want to see why? Look at this. Boom. 2 thick. Look at that. I've turned this thing upside down. I held it upside down for a while, and not one thing slid out. Look, do y'all see that? It's like butter, baby. Like butter. Like, which kind of magic is this? Okay. Anyway, y'all, so this amount that I just scooped out, that ended up being the only amount that I needed for my entire head. All I did was separate it in a container that you can't see. I just use the top of the container for the deep conditioner. And a little goes a long way. Now, some sections I did feel like I put way too much, but I mean, it's deep conditioner. Like, you can go overboard if you want to. It's going to be rinsed out anyway. The ingredients in here, it makes me very excited. They have grapeseed in here. They have aloe vera juice in here. They have slippery elm, y'all. They got slippery elm. I love slippery elm. I don't talk about it a lot on here, but whenever I have a product that has slippery elm in it, I know I'm going to get a lot of slip, which is what I love, because why? I detangle with my deep conditioner. Now, the slip that's in here, I mean, it might be overwhelming for some people if you're not about that slippity slip life, but because I am, I was fine with it, okay? So the way they advise you to use this is to leave it on here no less than 15 minutes, no more than an hour. So, of course, I went for the maximum time, okay? So here we are, and the camera's not picking it up, but there was penetration of that deep conditioner into thy kinks, and I think that's a plus. So, boom. Ooh, look at that. Y'all saw that snapback come through. Anyway, detangling was a breeze. Hello? Hi. My name is NappyFu, and I'm telling you, with this deep conditioner, detangling was a breeze, and I enjoyed it. My style. Now it's time to get into their stylers, that being their leave-in conditioner and their styling cream. Remember when I said little goes a long way? I hope you haven't forgotten. The leave-in conditioner, let's start with that. This sucker is so concentrated, y'all, okay? So y'all see the small amount, right? I'm just showing you my hands, showing that it's clean. Small amount, I'm gonna rub my hands together and look how much it foams up. Boom. That's how much a little goes a long way, okay? The spreadability of this leave-in conditioner will quickly remind us that have heavy hands, we don't need heavy hands with it, okay? I'm just saying. This is the styling cream, like a butter, and you see how thick that is. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let me stop. Now, it says on the bottle, highly recommend to apply the styling cream to soaking wet hair. It literally says on there to never apply it to dry hair. So I'm going to follow the directions. So in between application, you're going to see me wetting my hair, re-wetting my hair, and so on. There is something in their ingredient list, maybe one of the like ceteria alcohol or something like that, that whenever the water hits my hair with the product on, it makes it spread even more, okay? I don't want to necessarily say foaming because this is not a shampoo, it's not a cleanser, but the spreadability is like something with water reactivates it while it's still wet, that is, okay? So my style of choice is going to be a simple flat twist out with, I might curl the ends. For me, it's a simple and safe style to do when I am using new hair products, okay? So we're going to flat twist. I think I'm going to have like 3 on both sides. And again, y'all, whenever water is hitting my hair, like there's a lot of, as you can see, man, a little goes a long way, y'all. That little bit that I used covered that whole section. And you see how with the water, it just reactivates it. I think that's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you again. Completely dry hands, small little amount. I'm going to rub my hands together. Boom. Spray water, rub it together. And y'all see that? Boom. The spreadability is real. Okay. I'm stressing this, y'all, because at the end, I'm going to show you what happened when I applied too much. Okay. So again, a little goes a long way. When you are doing the leave-in conditioner, make sure you're working into each section. When you are putting your styler on, make sure you are applying it to soaking wet hair. Makes a difference. Okay. All right. So I'm going to spritz it one more time. And now I'm going to use a little bit of oil to lock it all in. This is the only non-4C hair ingredient that I use because, you know, you got to lock it all in. I'm just saying.
As I take this hairstyle down, it makes me really think, this product line makes me very, I don't know how to say it, just happy. I personally never really thought there'll be a product line who makes it really clear who their target audience is, and that audience being my hair texture. I think it's very awesome. You know,
if there is one, and please excuse my ignorance because I just don't know about it. Whenever I Google 4C hair products, I see a whole bunch of product lines, but not ones. But I don't get the impression that it was solely focused for my hair texture. It's just that it can be used on my hair texture. So, you know, just 4COnly.com, I see they're pretty much trying to change the norms. It makes me think about my mom, actually. My mom is someone that's always wanting to evolve, always wanting to elevate. My mom is in her 70s, okay? And you can't tell her nothing. My mom does Bikram yoga. So my mom wants to do Bikram yoga for the first time. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. She's the kind of person that says, well, mama, because of your age, she'd be like, excuse me. My age has nothing to do with it. Okay. She's an awesome woman. One thing I really appreciate about my mom is how she's always able to challenge me spiritually. If you ever ask me who really has inspired my love and yearning for God, definitely comes from my mom. You know, I see how she serves God and how she always evolves in how she serves him. And that inspires me to want to as well. Just being a woman, period. She really emulates a true P31 type of vibe. And it just always makes me want to consistently work on evolving in that area as well. Evolving to that level, but of course not her level, the level that's meant for me.
I mean, put that in there. The results came out good, y'all. I am loving the definition. Yes, loving it. I still have movement, and that is important, okay? Not only do I still have movement, it feels very soft. It still feels soft, y'all. And I think that is awesome. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Final thoughts, the collection as a whole, I definitely can see why it's called Too Easy, because everything is right there for you. Your shampoo, deep conditioner, leave-in, and your styler. What most naturals use, that's all that most naturals use. Not a lot of us still do the pre-poo and all the other hair treatments that I talk about on this channel. So that definitely makes it too easy. Something else I definitely like about it, I actually like how concentrated every single product in this collection is. I like how thick the deep conditioner is, how thick the leave-in is, how thick the styler is. Why? Because that means this product line will last me a long time. That makes me feel like I get more bang for my buck. I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? The economical side of me is like, okay, winning.
The shampoo leaves you with a moisturizing cleansing. I wouldn't say a deep cleansing, but definitely a moisturizing cleansing that makes you feel like you really could detangle with it. I'm not recommending it, but I'm just saying you will feel like you could. Okay. All right. That's the too clean. Now we're to the too thick. It is thick. Too thick is very accurate. If you're not into thick deep conditioners, you might shy away from this, but I still encourage you to try it out because little goes a long way. You could thin it out by adding your own mix to it. So the DIY in you, activate. Okay. As far as detangling properties, a lot of slip. So detangling should be a breeze. Too soft leave-in conditioner. You know how sometimes leave-in conditioners might leave a film on your hair? Same thing with stylers. I can tell you now, this conditioner did not do that. My hair was left soft and it felt moisturized. When it came to the styler, same thing. I didn't have any filmy grittiness left on my hair. The first time around when I used too much, I did. But when I got the amount correct, my hair just felt fluffy, a lot of volume, soft and hydrated.
The one thing that might be a little challenging for some could be the leave-in conditioner and the styler, gauging the right amount for your hair.
Earlier, I mentioned that I had to do the styling part a second time. This is what happened the first time. When you are using 4C only, highly heavy concentrated hair products, please, heavy-handed naturals, release the grip, release the normal amount you will usually use with other stylers. You can't have that same mindset with 4C only. This is how it was the first time around, y'all. I put way too much. I couldn't help it. It's in my DNA. I'm just saying. So I had to consciously limit how much I put. Because I put this much, this is how my hair looked the next day. Flaky. I had like white patches, like I put powder on my hair because it was too much product. And I also want to say when I applied the styling cream, I probably didn't have my hair wet enough, but I'm really feeling like it's mainly because I put way too much. The difference is clear. The top portion is how much I had the second time around. The bottom portion is how it was the first time. You want the top portion, okay? You might feel like all your hair wasn't coated, but trust me, it was. A little goes a long way. A word to the wise should be enough.
And now we have come to today's Napchat question. I want to know from y'all, my fresh start, my thirst, my style. That's the revolution. What's yours? Trust me, your response will definitely inspire another Team Kink member. Thanks in advance.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that.
And I will catch you on the next one. Until then, Team Kinks, I said, Team Kinks. Let me get this back over here. What you doing? What you doing? All right. In order to have healthy hair, you got to do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful.